ಹಲೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಚ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 12/11/2020. So remember, up to 2 o'clock, right? So it is there 10/11 and they have not given a new detailed calendar of events also. Then if it is changed, remember this also should be changed. Fourth one, document uploading, because if they have given 11/11 but on 12/11 those who have registered, for them they have to give some more time, and I think this they have completed today they have completed, and this they have completed, they will complete it on 12th one. There is no problem with this, but remember, provision of the publication of the provisional verified list is there. I think this also should be going to change, because when they have given up to 12th, then definitely they have to include on the 12th the students who have registered also, and provision to upload the documents if any it is there. See, publication of provisional verified list means after, when you upload the documents, they will verify it and they will tell you. So that should be changed. So provision to upload documents if any, it also should be changed. Publication of final verified list, definitely it will also change, because on 12th they have given the last date up to fill the application form means, which register the NEET means, definitely it is going to change. Then definitely I don't think this also should be changed, right? So nandu prediction aste, idu change ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು, because on 12th those who have registered, right, you cannot download this particular hall ticket on 11/11/2020, right? So on 12th if they give hall ticket on 13th directly from outside the Karnataka, they should take the tickets of the bus, they should book the ticket and they should come to Bangalore. So it will definitely take the time, so it should be changed. So after that you can see display of seat matrix. See here, maja antandre display of the seat matrix 10/11/2020 after 2 p.m. it is there. I don't think displaying a seat matrix will not depending on any of the above functions. Remember, because of that reason they could have released this now. We will wait for today and tomorrow also they have a time, because when KEA they tell that they will release today, and generally it will be activated tomorrow, as we have seen in so many cases. Then option entry by the eligible candidates, they are telling 11/11/2020. I don't think it is not at all possible, because for option entry for the eligible candidate, first we have to need a secret key. Remember, secret key. So secret key you will get only when the document is uploaded and it is verified. So thousands of students documents should be verified in a day or 2 days, and they have to give the provisional list, and again they have to give time to download the verification slip with the secret key. And already we are seeing for the CET students, those who uploaded the document, still today, remember, till today many students are facing the problem that their verification slip with the secret key is not at all downloading, and their name is there in the this original verified list, and when they go for downloading the verification slip, it is telling that you are not in the verified list. So many things like this, the software issues are there. I don't think this is possible. Option entry by the eligible candidate on a 11 to 14/11, I don't think it is possible. Then definitely if it is changed, then all these processes should be changed accordingly. Let us wait for, we hope for the best. Let us pray for that. KEA will hear those things, and immediately they will release the this press release with respect to this in extending the dates. So because it is, as I told in some other videos, for KEA it is another counseling. Remember, for us, for students, it is first and last counseling, right? First and last counseling. Because of that reason, this is our life. It is a question of life. We have to take care. Definitely there is nothing like ನೀವು ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋ ಹಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು, KEA ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ನೈಸ್ ಡೇ.